Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Safa Nabila as a leader of opposition. And the motion for our debate today is this House believes that social media comment should be protected by free speech. Ladies and gentlemen, I disagree with the motion today because there must have a limit on the freedom of speech. Free speech was being taken advantage like proposition said, but so many negative cases caused by social media. For example, suicide by cyberbullying, criminalization caused by harassment, and opinion is considered a false, or radical, or harmful. Therefore, I stand to not support the motion today. Ladies and gentlemen, I will be talking to you about proposition said which I will deny. The first point is social media is an effective way to promote and to advocate a positive movement that has possibility to make massive change of society. The second point, social media is a good platform to spread kindness and to spread positivity. And the last one is social media facilitate the user to express their ideas and articulate a perspective. First point, proposition said that social media is an effective way to promote and to advocate a positive movement that has possibility to make massive change of society. To make massive change of society, social media is an effective way to promote and to advocate it. My response is social media is not an effective way to make massive change of society. For example, an Indonesian comedian named Uus has uploaded content that actually caused a controversy. The comedian uploaded satirizing one of the Indonesian clerics. The controversy is considered a racism. Therefore, free speech, like what Uus did, caused conflict because his opinion was considered a racism. In addition, his upload did not make massive change of society, especially since the post caused major conflict for the Indonesian people. So, social media is not an effective way to make a massive change of society. Now, the second point. Proposition said that social media is a good platform to spread kindness and to spread positivity. To spread kindness and to spread positivity, social media is a good platform for it. My response is social media is not a good platform to spread kindness and positivity. You believe that social media is a good platform. How the social media can spread kindness and positivity? On the other hand, social media can spread negativity. For example, Indonesian artist Ahmad Dhani posts a hate speech on his Twitter about blasphemy. The post contained elements of hate speech, hostility, and incitement. What he has shared on social media is spread of negativity. Therefore, ladies and gentlemen, social media is not a good platform to spread kindness and positivity. Instead, social media can spread negativity with hate speech like artist Ahmadani. The last point is proposition said that social media facilitate the user to express their ideas and to articulate a perspective. To express ideas and articulate our perspective in social media has facilitated. You believe that social media facilitate the user to express their ideas and to articulate perspective. How about their hate speech, ideas, and perspective in social media? For example, Sarah Chen Group, who are active on social media in Facebook, upload content containing hate speech and hoax at certain groups. Sarah Chen Group created a Facebook group and other website in 2017. Ladies and gentlemen, proposition said that social media facilitate the user to express their ideas and to articulate perspective. But how about their ideas is not good like hate speech? Therefore, we must have limit on the freedom of speech by a person or group in social media. Ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion, we believe that social media comment should not be protected by free speech because we must have a limit in the freedom of speech. Free speech does not mean that speech is free in our social media. It was being taken advantage and disadvantage. So we must have a limit on the freedom of speech. I think that's all. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.